Oraifite is made up of 4 quarters: Ezumeri, Unodo, Irefi, and Ifite. These were autonomous communities according to history that had obis who were independent of one another. In an attempt to have a central leadership as directed by the then Anambra State government, the community agreed on rotational traditional stool among the 4 quarters. However, trouble started when, upon the demise of the first traditional ruler from Unodo, another person from the same quarter clinched the position with disregard to the constitution of the town, a development that led to prolonged litigation that has now been resolved.
Our agreement, which is documentary, and it's one of the exhibits in court, that it should be rotational, go round. We are the most senior village, a quarter, in Oraifite, but you said you needed it desperately. We said, all right, take it, without prejudice, the rotational agreement. Now you heard it. By our concession, an agreement. And they say it will never rotate, it will stay in your place. No, it's not true.
It was a serious 18 years of legal battle. And then eventually we finally won. And the justice that we seek for is that whatever the law promulgates is where we stand. So that's where we go. So we are very happy today. And we're celebrating it.
Sojourn of 18 years is not 18 days. We have been on this fight. So today, history has been made.
The Ezumeri quarter, said to be the eldest in the community, is happy that justice has been served for peace to return in the community.
And in order of seniority, Ezumeri is first. Unodo is second. As our fathers gave birth to us. Irefi is the third child.